So, huwag kalimutang, huwag kalimutang,
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve the Pyraminx. Okay, so this Pyraminx has 4 sides. Okay, so each side has its own color: yellow, green. We have red, yellow, and blue. Okay. Okay, now we will scramble it. Now we can solve it. Okay, so we will fix the yellow side first. Okay, so we will fix these 3 bigger triangles first. Okay, these 3. Okay, so this is yellow, so these 2 must be yellow also. So let's rotate this. Okay, now the other side. Okay, there's no yellow. This means that this side is not for yellow, so we need to rotate this. Okay, now let's try it again. So this should be yellow. No, so this means that this side is not also for yellow, so we need to rotate this again. Then rotate this. Okay, we have yellow, so this one should be yellow also. Okay, so yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, that's good. Now this is red, red, so we need another red. Okay, next blue, blue, blue. Okay, so green, green, green. Okay, now we need to rotate this. Okay, okay, okay. Now we need to place this on the bottom. Okay, so we need to fix we need a yellow and red. Okay, yellow and red, yellow and red piece. Okay, it's right here, so we need to extract this out by placing yellow and blue, yellow and blue, but it's right here, so we need to extract this out first. We need yellow and green. Okay, it's right here, so yellow and green, so we need yellow and green, and it's right here, yellow and green. Okay, so first we need to rotate this. Okay, these are all green. Now we can bring this up. Okay, then turn this. Now these are all yellow, then we can bring it down. Okay, it's fixed. Now okay, we need the yellow and blue. Okay, it's right here, yellow and blue. So okay, these are all blue already, so we can bring this up, then rotate this. Okay, now it's all yellow, so we can bring it down. Okay, it's fixed. Now we need to rotate this back. Okay, next we need yellow and red, so yellow and red, it's right here, yellow and red. We need to rotate this. Okay, so rotate it again. Now it's all red. Okay, now we can bring this up, turn this. Now it's all yellow, we can bring it down, then rotate this back. Okay, now the yellow side is fixed. Now we will choose another color, so rotate this. We will fix the okay, so we need to fix this yellow, green, and red. Okay, this is yellow, green, and red. We need to flip this, so we need to extract this out first in order to put it back with the correct orientation. Okay, so just rotate this and rotate it again and bring this down. Okay, now the yellow, green, and red is right here, so rotate this. They are all red, we can bring this up, then rotate it. Now they are all green, we can bring it down, then rotate this again to bring the red back. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, now we will do the blue side. Okay, don't worry about the mess here. Okay, so it will be fixed later. Okay, this is part of the whole process. Okay, so don't worry. So we will fix the blue and red. Okay, so we need blue and red. blue and red piece. Okay, it's here. So we need to extract this out first. But yeah, by using the blue and yellow piece. This one, blue and yellow. Okay, so now they are the same color. So we can bring this up, rotate this. These are all blue. We can bring it down. Then rotate this. Okay, bring this yellow piece back. Okay, now we can fix this blue and red. This is the blue and red piece. So just rotate it. They are all red. Bring this up. Rotate this. They are all blue. Now we can bring it down. Then rotate this back. This red. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, we will fix the green side. Okay. Place the green on the bottom. Okay. Don't worry about the mess up. Okay. It will be fixed. Okay. This is part of the whole process. Okay. So this is green and yellow. So we need green and yellow piece. It's right here. Green and yellow. So we need to rotate this. Now the colors are all the same. We can bring this up. Rotate this. Now the colors are all the same. We can bring it down. Okay. Next, we need green and red. Okay, green and red. It's right here. So the colors are the same, red. Now we can bring this up. Rotate this. Okay. They are all green. Now we can bring it down. Then we just need to rotate this. It's done. See? Okay? It's done. So, huwag kalimutang
Subscribe. Maraming salamat po.